Hi, this is Yuki at JapaneseKitchen.net. I decided to upload some additional Japanese home cooking videos because people are more cooking at home because of this coronavirus problems. Today I'm going to make sauteed asparagus with some Japanese ingredients. And asparagus is now in seasons. When coronavirus problems pop up, many people just going to the grocery store and grabbed whatever they can. So, some of you may not have cooked asparagus, but just, for whatever the reason, grabbed it and don't know what to do with it. Actually, asparagus is very easy to cook, and particularly my method, asparagus can be cooked quickly. And other than asparagus, you need soy sauce. There are many kinds of soy sauce around, and this is the most probably widely distributed brand, Kikkoman's. And also, if you have katsuobushi, it's like a bonito flakes. If you have it, you can use it, and if you don't have it, that's fine. And if you have hondashi, that's it. This is a kind of granulated Japanese dashi, just dissolved in water. It's a kind of works like Japanese soup base. You can use it as well. And also, if you have this kind of packaged dashi, you can use it as well. In that case, you're gonna tear open the package and use just inside. And even if you don't have bonito flakes or granulated dashi or packaged dashi, don't worry, just soy sauce works too. After washing the asparagus, slice it diagonally. It's like that. It's just randomly. You don't have to make it exactly the same, but by cutting diagonally like that, the asparagus is going to be cooked quickly. And the end of the asparagus, the hard part, is very hard, so you have to leave them off. So the amount of asparagus is, it really doesn't matter. Just like other home cook, I don't really measure the amount, and just whatever available, and that will work. Keep cutting all the asparagus. So if you can find asparagus in your neighborhood, just pick them up. It's delicious right now. Put some oil, any kind of vegetable oil, in the pan, and just wait a little bit until the pan heats up. You can use olive oil, you can use regular vegetable oil, you can use canola oil, and you can also use sesame oil. Sesame oil maybe adds some more flavor to it. Some people like it, some people don't like it. If you have it, you may be able to use it. When pan heats up, add asparagus. Fry it for a while. I say about 5 to 6 minutes. I think depending on the thickness of the asparagus. But they cook pretty quickly. When it's kind of cooked, when you think it's done, try some. Bite it. When it's cooked through, it's done. Add some soy sauce. I've never actually measured it, but just I put soy sauce in it. You can do the same. Always add soy sauce in this kind of case, conservatively, because if you need more, you can always add more on the table. Seasonal vegetables have lots of flavor in it. You don't want to kill it. And actually soy sauce can bring out that flavor, the sweetness of asparagus. At the end, if you're going to use shaved bonito, you can add shaved bonito. And this is it. It's a great side dish. Please upload your comfort food cooking video and share with us. I would love to know comfort food cooking of India, Thai, China, Russia, Peru, Nigeria, and many other countries and cultures.